Hello, I'm Dr. Janice Brown, a dentist injector here in Hillsborough, and today I'm going to talk about PRP with microneedling. This is one of my favourite treatments because it is a very natural facial rejuvenation treatment. It can sometimes also be known as a vampire facial. It involves me taking a small sample of your blood, putting it in my centrifuge to remove the platelets. Those platelets harness your own growth factors, which then can be used and microneedled back into the skin. Microneedling causes a small injury to the skin, which then stimulates repair. On top of this micro-injury, we're also delivering the growth factors from your platelet rich plasma to stimulate your skin to renew and rejuvenate. A course of 3 treatments are recommended, 1 treatment each month for 3 months, followed by a maintenance treatment every 4 to 6 months, depending on your needs. PRP with microneedling can address things like fine lines, wrinkles, acne scarring, skin texture, and just overall rejuvenation of the skin. This is an ideal treatment for you if you're looking for something which is natural, completely uses your own tissues and your own cells to rejuvenate your skin in a very natural looking way. The treatment itself takes around about 30 minutes to complete. You come to the clinic, numbing cream is applied, we take a small sample of your blood, and then we perform the treatment. After you leave, your skin will just look red, akin to a sunburn. It will remain like that, usually for the rest of the day. The following day, you can then remove the platelet-rich plasma from your skin just by cleansing and apply your makeup and continue normal activities.